Hi, welcome to the Action Button Setup video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to quickly open Candybox from anywhere on your iPhone. Shortcuts are incredibly useful, but having to stop what you are doing to get to them defeats the purpose of having shortcuts in the first place. The better solution is having your shortcuts come to you no matter where you are so you can get to things that matter. That's where the Action Button comes in. If you don't have an iPhone with an Action Button, don't worry, you can also open Candybox with the Back Tap feature. I will be going over how to open the Candybox app with Back Tap in the next video. You can skip this video to watch that if you don't have an iPhone with an Action Button. To get started with the setup, tap the hamburger icon in the top left corner of the Candybox app to open Settings. In Settings, tap Action Button plus Back Tap. Tapping that will send you to our website to get a shortcut. To use the Action Button or Back Tap, you have to create an iOS shortcut. We have already made one for you, so all you have to do is save it. Tap the orange shortcut button to open the Shortcuts app. Tap Add Shortcut to add it to your Shortcuts app. Now that the Open Candybox shortcut is saved, let's head over to the iPhone settings to set up the Action Button. Rather than look for the Settings app on my iPhone, I've already added it to Candybox, so I will get to Settings from there. Since I have an Open Candybox shortcut right here, I will use that. Unless you are in Settings or Edit mode, Candybox always opens back up to show the default grid, so you can quickly get to your shortcuts. Especially in Edit mode. You may leave Candybox to get a link or text during setup. In this case, the app will remain where you left it so you can complete creating your shortcut. Now let's get to the iPhone settings to finish setting up the Action Button. I'll tap back to get to the grid. Daily. Then Settings. Perfect. In Settings, scroll down to get to the Action Button and tap it. Now swipe through the options to get to Shortcut. Then tap Choose a Shortcut. Under My Shortcuts, select Open Candybox. Great. You have now set up the Action Button to open Candybox. Let's give it a try. Let's say you want to search something with the Arc browser. You press the Action Button to call Candybox. You tap Search, then Arc. Perfect. Now every time you press the Action Button, Candybox opens for you. So that's how you set up the Action Button to open Candybox. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up Back Tap to open Candybox. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.